Hey Elek, it's Max from Anchor 23 Marketing. I work with general contractors across the United States by helping them bring more business in their door. And I noticed that you guys were running some Google ads, so I wanted to show you this just to see if maybe this would be a more efficient way to spend your advertising dollars. Okay, so generally the gist here is to rank in Google for select key terms like this. And I know that these select keywords are being searched because I have this software that shows me that general contractors in Miami get about 230 searches every month. So that's 230 people searching for the service that you guys offer every month. So that's quite a bit of renovations that you guys could land. And like I said, the general gist here is to be in this Google Map Pack as well as organically ranking #1 over here. And I think that this would be a lot more efficient than using Google Ads, because Google Ads does cost per click, so every time somebody clicks on your website, they're going to charge you, and you're not necessarily going to be ranking for words that people are actually actively searching for. You know, these right here are buyer intent keywords, whereas Google is going to throw you up there for anything generally related, and it's going to drain your pocket a lot more. Okay, so that's the general gist here, and I'm going to show you 3 main ways what you can do to your website in order to start ranking. So it all starts with the content on your homepage. So if we copy everything that you see here, including what the pictures are saved as, and then we throw it in this word counter, it says that you guys have right over 1,000 words, which is pretty good, but you would probably want another 500 to 1,000 on your homepage, because Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words, and they want these specific words sprinkled in there in a strategic way in order to make you more relevant to the search term. Okay, now the second thing is, if we copy your URL and throw it into the back end of Ahrefs, it shows me the back end of your website, and specifically backlinks. And what a backlink is basically one website linking to your website, which passes power and relevance, and it's kind of like a referral or a vote in there, in Google's eyes, saying that this website is referring you to be ranking for these select key terms. It's all about relevance. Okay, and as you can see, you guys have 270 referring domains that are sending over 1,000 backlinks, and so as you can tell, that's pretty spammy. Typically you want these to be pretty similar. If there was 270 backlinks coming from 270 referring domains, then Google would know that it's not spammy. And then sorry, my phone heard me say Google and it thought that I was trying to talk to it. But this is why Google's trust flow is not very high with your website. They don't trust you in this aspect because you have so many backlinks coming from such little referring domains. Okay, the third and final thing is a citation, and that has everything to do with this Google My Map Pack. So we're going to use your competition as the example here, and they have right about 40 citations, and all that a citation is the business's name, address, and phone number, placed on various directories throughout the web, which makes them a lot more verified. And then Google puts your Google My Business page ranking here. And you have to keep in mind that this Google My Business page is very important because a lot of people are on mobile phones nowadays, and this is kind of what comes up in their apps. And this also is a lot more verified, so about 65% of these 230 people are going to click on one of these 3 websites. So that's all that I have for you guys today. All that I ask in return is that you give me some feedback, just kind of let me know your thoughts, and I will call you guys tomorrow at 10 a.m. just to kind of see, get some feedback and see what your thoughts are on this video. So I do appreciate your time, and thank you.